Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, so you've got a running board along the side, a remote entry keypad, blind spot mirrors that are also heated, power window controls, you've got power adjustable foot pedals and electric parking brake, power seats that are heated with lumbar for passenger and driver, infotainment screen here. You've also got halogen headlights, digital speedometer with trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and various truck settings with pre-collision. Cruise controls on the left, and you've got hands-free on the right. A Sync 3 sound system with navigation, 4G hotspot, Ford Pass, and satellite radio. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. You've also got the trailer package, so trailer backup assist and brake. Heated seats in the center console here. And then you've got 2 USB ports and a cubby, 12-volt outlet with a household plug, and then a center console shift knob with 2 cup holders and a leather armrest. Coming towards the back, get a paint-matched rear bumper here with a rear view camera right above the Ford logo, tailgate latch, and spare tire. Get your spray-in bed liner with LED box lighting. You've also got a rear passenger window as well. Getting into the back seat, you've got rubber floor mats in the rear, cloth seating that folds up for more storage, 2 compartments on the rear front seats for storage as well, 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, USB ports, and another household plug. And if we come back around to the front, you've got a paint-matched front bumper with halogen headlights and fog lights, metallic gray grille, tow hooks, and plow gear as well. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.